and welcome to Bike Adventure Pro, your ultimate destination for motorcycle reviews and adventures. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114, a true icon in the cruiser world. Let's see how Harley has redefined this legendary bike for the modern rider. The first half of this conversation leads into a general reflection on how certain bikes held the keys to a Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114. Timeless design, modern appeal. The Fat Boy 114 remains a head-turner in 2025. Its solid Discovery scarf straps are a solid decompression wrench, and a satin offset rear tire and distinctive satin chrome finishes deliver the classic, muscular cruiser aesthetic Harley fans love. For 2025, Harley-Davidson has refined the paint options and introduced subtle design updates that maintain its heritage while giving it a contemporary edge. Performance: Milwaukee-Eight Powerhouse. Upgrade: after showing up as Milwaukee's Mayor Molina in 1980. At the heart of the Fat Boy is the Milwaukee-Eight 114 engine, offering 114 cubic inches of raw power. This V-twin delivers 119 billet-feet of torque, ensuring thrilling acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The engine's refined cooling system ensures peak performance, even on long rides. Comfort and ride quality. Harley's focus on comfort is evident in the Fat Boy 114. Its wide seat, low 26.6-inch seat height, and forward foot controls make for an ergonomic riding position. The soft-tail frame design and rear monoshock suspension ensure a smooth, controlled ride, whether you're tackling city streets or open highways. Technology upgrades. For 2025, the Fat Boy 114 integrates Harley-Davidson's latest tech features. The optional 4-inch TFT display includes navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced riding stats. LED lighting comes standard, enhancing visibility and adding a sleek modern touch to the classic cruiser. Final thoughts. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy 114 is a masterful blend of tradition and innovation. It's powerful, stylish, and comfortable, making it a perfect choice for cruiser enthusiasts who want both performance and iconic design. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Adventure Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe and see you on the next adventure.